question of what alcohol goes in eggnog is a classic holiday debate. The right spirit can elevate this creamy drink from a simple treat to a memorable cocktail. Traditionally, aged spirits are the best choice for eggnog. Their complex flavors of vanilla, caramel, and spice perfectly complement the rich custard base. The three most popular and historically significant options are brandy, rum, and whiskey. Let's start with brandy, which is arguably the most traditional spirit for eggnog. Brandy, particularly a good VSOP Cognac or Armagnac, brings a wonderful smoothness and fruity depth to the drink. It has notes of dried fruit and a subtle warmth that melds seamlessly with the nutmeg and cinnamon in the nog. This choice creates a sophisticated, classic flavor profile that feels very festive and refined. It doesn't overpower the creamy base but instead enhances its inherent richness. Many old family recipes from the 18th and 19th centuries specifically call for brandy as the primary spirit. Next, we have rum, another fantastic and very popular option. Dark or aged rum is the preferred type here. It contributes deep, sweet notes of molasses, brown sugar, and vanilla. These flavors are a natural fit for eggnog's dessert-like character. Using a spiced rum can add an extra layer of complexity, introducing more pronounced notes of cinnamon, clove, and allspice directly from the spirit itself. A combination of both dark and spiced rum can also work wonderfully. Rum tends to make the eggnog feel a bit sweeter and more accessible than brandy. Then there is whiskey, a bolder choice for those who enjoy a more robust drink. Bourbon is the go-to whiskey for eggnog. Its corn-based mash bill gives it an inherent sweetness, with strong notes of vanilla, caramel, and toasted oak. These flavors beautifully cut through the richness of the eggnog, providing a strong, warm backbone. A high rye bourbon or even a straight rye whiskey can add a spicy kick that many people enjoy. It's best to avoid heavily peated Scotch, as its smoky flavor can clash with the delicate cream and egg base. Now, the real secret for many eggnog aficionados is not choosing just one spirit, but creating a blend. A very common and highly recommended combination is to use all three: brandy, rum, and whiskey. This trio creates a drink with incredible depth and complexity. The brandy provides the smooth, fruity base. The dark rum adds its characteristic sweetness and molasses notes. The bourbon gives it a powerful, warming finish. A typical ratio might be equal parts of each, but you can adjust it to your personal taste. For example, using more rum will make it sweeter, while more bourbon will make it stronger. The standard pour is about 1.5 ounces of your chosen spirit or blend for every 6 ounces of eggnog. This ensures the drink is spirited but still balanced. Ultimately, the best alcohol for your eggnog is the one you enjoy the most. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content.